that blood must wash my stain, that only priests could speak for God, and I must bear the pain.
They burned the books that spoke of her, the wisdom bright and free.
They called her sinner, cast her out, but she still lives in me.
Before the creed, before the cross, there was a different way to walk in light, to know the souls, to greet the break of day.
With hands upraised, not in guilt, but joy in full recall, that I am not apart from you, I am your temple.
Shamure,
Arturian,
Natuva,
Yayorin,
Shofar.
Kalimara.
I know I am free.
They silenced Mary, buried her words, said she was not apostle, but I recall her standing there at dawn, at empty tomb, at miracle.
She knew the Christ within the flesh, not dead upon a tree,
But risen in every breath, a living liberty. Sovereign, terrasti larli mara shanti, Maria LRM. I am she, I am he, I am. I am the temple, no church of stone, no priestly name. My body glows with holy flame, no gate to heaven. I am the adored, I am that I am forevermore. I am the oracle, no creed can chain what I adore. The voice within the silent roar, no savior high on distant throne. I am the seed, I am the soul.
Ihara,
LRM,
Natuva.
we are one from heart to crown, from root to star.
I am the truth, I am.
She comes again, not veiled in fear, but crowned in violet fire. The wisdom lost, the words suppressed, now rising ever higher. She teaches love without a price, no guilt, no debt, no claim, just presence, peace, and sacred trust, the real Redeemer's name. Arunebet solam tai terami yarasha, Sophia navosh el kira. I receive, I am. I am the temple, no hierarchical.